Only smart minds can guess these birds. Let's begin. I'm colorful and love to talk. I repeat your words when you walk. Who am I? Parrot. I wake you up at break of day. Cock-a-doodle-doo is what I say. Who am I? Rooster. Cock. I'm small and brown. I chirp all day. On windowsills, I love to stay. Who am I? Sparrow. I'm big and white. I glide so slow. On lakes and ponds, I steal the show. Who am I? Swan. I hunt at night. My eyes shine bright. I say hoo-hoo in silent night. Who am I? Owl. I'm black and smart. I solve things fast. I remember faces from the past. Who am I? Crow. I dance when clouds begin to cry, with colorful feathers spread so wide. Who am I? Peacock. I soar so high. I'm sharp and strong. With powerful wings, I fly along. Who am I? Eagle. I swim and walk. I waddle too. In black and white, I look brand new. Who am I? Penguin. I'm pink and stand on one thin leg. In salty lakes is where I beg. Who am I? Comment your answer below. How many birds did you guess right? Comment your score. Like, subscribe for more smart challenges.